Yes, a very good afternoon to you and our viewers at home. The fight by South Africans continues. As you know that in the morning we were at different hospitals, clinics where Operation Dudula was turning away illegal foreigners from the clinics, saying that they are taking medications in these clinics and selling these medications, and also that they are occupying spaces that are meant for locals, that is the South African citizens. Now I'm here at the human rights offices, where a group of also individuals are here, also contesting about what the illegal foreigners rather are doing, taking spaces, and also they are also speaking about illegal foreigners in South Africa. But let me bring in Tebogo, the leader of this group, just to speak to us why they are here and their grievances. Good afternoon, sir, and thank you for joining us here at News Central TV. Why are you here and what are the grievances?
No, thank you so much. We are here as Forum for South Africa because we were actually troubled by the statement by South African Human Rights Commission to say illegal foreigners can come and access public health services. And then whereas we know that obviously South Africa, we don't have resources, the resources are scarce. And then now when they say that, they actually made all those particular illegal immigrants to come and fight South Africans. And then today we came here just to submit a memorandum to say to Human Rights Commission, we are giving you 7 days to respond to these demands, and then failure to do that, we'll have to mobilize and come and march here, because our fight is not about the documented individuals. We are fighting against illegal immigrants who come to this particular country without documents, and then we believe that when they come to this country without documents, they've got ulterior motives, obviously, because they don't want to be tracked and traced. So that is our argument.
But also the human rights are arguing that anyone who is in South Africa has the right to health care.
Yeah, they are saying that because they misinterpret or they exclude Section 32 of the Immigration Act that says all illegal immigrants must be deported. So how do you deport somebody and at the same time you say they must receive medical care? It doesn't make sense. Once the person comes to the country, you deport them so they cannot access any services. And then we also made an adjustment to say, but if somebody's in the country and they want emergency services, like somebody's involved in an accident, there is no way that South Africa will not assist that particular person. That's where our Ubuntu comes. But we begin to realize that that is being abused because we are so soft in the country. We have Ubuntu, we are welcoming. So people are taking advantage of that. So now they're closing the borders. Somebody's pregnant, they know that they're pregnant, but the moment they're about to give birth, they cross the border, they come, and then that becomes an emergency, so they cannot be chased away. So that is tricky. So we're saying the borders must close, and then illegal immigrants must stay away. Whatever the Human Rights Commission is saying, it undermines the sovereignty of this country, it undermines the laws of this country, because Section 32 of the Immigration Act is very clear. Deport illegal immigrants, and that's what they're supposed to preach, not what they've preached.
And some critics might say that this is being xenophobic. Your thoughts around that?
It is not xenophobic, because if we go to Zimbabwe, I must have my passport. We always travel. We go to Botswana, Lesotho. We always carry our passports. We never went to any country without a passport. We recently saw South Africans being arrested in Zimbabwe. I think 6 or 7 of them, because they entered the country illegally. But nobody said it is xenophobic. It is only xenophobic when South Africa says you must go home or bring document. What is it difficult about to come with documents in the country? When we go out as South Africans, we have our own documents, and we expect that everybody comes with documents. Now you can't go to Mozambique without documents. You can't go to Nigeria. You can't go to Zimbabwe. Not any country that a South African or any other person can go without a proper document. Our issue is bring the document, because if it was xenophobic, it means we're also going to chase documented ones. But we are saying